Students, now in this session I will explain question number 8 and 9 of exercise 7.3 chapter fraction. Now let me read out question number 8 for all of you. Now Ramesh had 20 pencils, Shilu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. So there are three characters, Ramesh, Shilu and Jamal. So Ramesh is carrying 20 pencils, Shilu 50 pencils and Jamal 80 pencils. Now after 4 months, it is observed that Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Out of 20 pencils, he has used 10 pencils. Now Shilu has used 25 pencils out of 50 pencils and Jamal has used up 40 pencils out of 80 pencils. Now what is the question they have asked? What fraction did each use up? This is the first thing that you have to find out. And also they have asked to check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencil or not. So let us do. Now the first thing we'll see the fraction of Ramesh. So total number, first of all we'll write total number of pencil Ramesh had. That is what? 20. Okay, the next statement would be number of pencil Ramesh used. That is 10. So what will the required fraction then? Therefore, fraction would be what? Out of 20 pencil, he has used 10 pencil. So answer is 1 upon 2. Isn't it? Now same thing we'll do with Shilu. So total number of pencil Shilu had. That is what? 50. And number of pencil Shilu used. That is 25. Now what is the required fraction? Therefore the fraction is out of 50 pencil she has used 25. So if I cancel this, okay, if I have to reduce this with 5, that means 5 5s are 5 10s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So your answer is 1 by 2. Okay, and then this also if we reduce, so your answer is 1 by 2. So in both the cases we can observe that the answer is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now let's check for Jamal. So total number of pencil Jamal used. Oh, Jamal had, not used, is 80. Now we'll write number of pencil Jamal used. That is what? 40. So therefore the required fraction is what? So the required fraction would be out of 80 pencil he has used 40. So if I reduce this, first we reduce the zeros, then 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So your answer is again 1 by 2. So we have answered the required fraction for each of the characters, and even we have to also check whether the fractions are equal or not. So equal only, all 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So how to conclude the sum? Yes, each has used up equal fraction. So you will write, yes, each has used up equal fractions. That is, they have all used half of the pen that they were carrying. Okay students, now let's move on to sum number 9. Sum number 9 is match the following. Okay, so let's do it. Now this is question number 9. So we have to pair up properly, correctly, and also especially on the right hand side, for each fraction we have to write 2 equivalent fraction also. Okay, so let's check. So what will the right option for this one? So we'll write it here. So 250 by 400, isn't it? Now let us reduce this. So first of all we'll reduce these two zeros. and then 25 by 40 we can easily reduce by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. So your required answer is what? 5 by 8. So where is 5 by 8? Here it is 5 by 8. So we can match like this. Okay, so that means 250 by 400 represents 5 by 8. Now also we have to write two equivalent fraction for 5 by 8. So we have to write equivalent fraction of 5 by 8. That means, now see how to find out equivalent fraction. Now once we have written 5 by 8, now you choose any number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. Suppose if I have chosen 2. So now this 2 we need to multiply with the numerator as well as with the denominator also. That is 10 by 16. So 10 by 16 is equivalent to 5 by 8. Why? As because if you reduce it, you will again get 5 by 8 only. So 10 by 16 and 5 by 8 are equivalent to each other. What is the next equivalent fraction then? Again choose another number. That is, if you have chosen 2, then the next number you can choose 3. So if you have chosen 3, see, I have multiplied 3 with the numerator as well as with the denominator also. So the required answer would be 15 by 24. So 15 by 24 is also equivalent fraction to 5 by 8. Okay, now let's check this one. Now 180 by 200, 180 by 200. Okay, now let's reduce this. First of all, we reduce the 0. Then 18 and 20 can be reduced by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So your required answer is 9 by 10. So where is 9 by 10? Here is 9 by 10. So this is your required option. Fine. So 180 by 200 means 9 by 10. Now for 9 by 10 also we have to write two equivalent fractions. So 9 by 10 into 2 by 2 and 9 by 10 into 3 by 3. Same thing we can do. So 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 3 9s are 27, and 3 are 30. So these are the two equivalent fraction of 9 by 10. Okay, now let's see 660 by 990. So 660 by 990, the first thing we'll reduce is 0. Fine. Now this two number can be easily reduced by 3. 3 22s are 3 33s are. Fine. So now this two number can be easily can be reduced by 11. 11 2s are 11 3s are. So your required answer is 2 by 3. So where is 2 by 3? Here is 2 by 3. So you will here. Fine. So now we have to write two equivalent fraction for 2 by 3 also. So again same thing we'll do, 2 by 3 into 2 by 2, 2 by 3 into 3 by 3. It's not that every time you have to take 2 and 3 only. You can go for another number, any other number also, 4, 4, 5, 5, any number you want, wish. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So these are the two equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Okay, now let's check what is the option for 180 by 360. So 180 by 360 means we have to again reduce the zeros, isn't it? Reduce the zeros. Now we can easily reduce this two number with 9. That is 2 9s are, sorry, so 2 9s are 18, 2 18s are 36. Again it can be reduced by 9 also. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, isn't it? So answer is what? 1 by 2. So where is 1 by 2? So here is 1 by 2. So this is the answer, 1 by 2. Okay. So now equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 is what? So again we'll same thing, we'll multiply with 2 into 2, 2 by 2, and again 1 by 2 by 3 by 3. So it will be 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. So this is a required equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. And the last option is obviously 2 by 5 only. Let us check. And let us check 220550. See, 220550. Just cross check it whether we know that the answer will be 2 by 5. Just check it. See, if you reduce these zeros and zeros, then this 22 and 55 we can reduce it with 11. 11 2s are 11 5s are. So see, answer is coming 2 by 5 only. So we can say, okay. So now we have to write equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 also. So 2 by 5 into 2 by 2, 2 by 5 into 3 by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 8. So these are the two equivalent fractions of 7. Okay students, that's it for today. Thank you. God bless you all and stay blessed.